everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about pectin. So this is going to be a short one, but it's going to be an important one. For those of you that don't do any canning, you should still stockpile pectin. Why? Well, just because you don't can now, you may be canning later. And even if you can't can, if you have strawberries, the apricots, the peaches, whatever it is you want to make a jam out of, and you have the pectin, you could probably get someone else to do it for you and just give them a couple jars of the jam. But pectin is important. Is it absolutely required? Well, for those of you that were watching my Camp Pet and Family Compound posts over on Rebel Canners, the Broussards, Wide Family Farm, all on the Facebook stuff. And I think I'm going to be updating the one I put here on Camp Pet and Family Compound. My wife made a bunch of apricot jam using a no pectin method. She said it takes a long time to do it because the process on it is not as quick as it is with pectin. And if you're in a survival situation, you don't want to be wasting a lot of time making jam and jelly the long way, when if you have pectin, you can make it the short way. All right? So get some pectin into your supplies. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, skills. Why? This is why